Alright guys, so next up for the stocks I would break it down this morning is going to be AMC, or ticker symbol AMC. So we're starting from a higher time frame, that being the daily interval. This allows us to find the overall direction and trend that our stock is in, helps us find our targets, our entries, our stop loss, and all that other good stuff. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive in. So yesterday we closed at almost 19 or 20%. That is crazy. That is crazy. That moved more than most cryptos in the past couple of days. And then this morning, pre-market, we're up almost another 9%. So altogether, collectively, we're talking almost almost 30% within 48 hours, okay? So let's look at the volume. The volume, we're at 6.99 million, okay? So that's really, really high. We want to trade anything that's above 150,000. So we're way above that, and that's really good. So that's a good sign. However, you guys, let's go ahead and dive into the technicals. Let me first go over our support and resistance line, and then we'll get into where we're at currently, okay? So this top line is our major resistance line. You look left, we had trouble breaking past this area, and we ultimately failed and pushed this back down to our minor support down here, which we bounced off of and created this breakout over here, okay? And we look left, we had this resistance back here as well, and back here. Down here is our major support line. You can see that we bounced from here, here, and here, and obviously we have more to go based off of back here as well. So these are heavily tested areas, you guys. I really just want to get into where we're at currently, okay? So if you looked at, we bounced from off this support, and now we're up 2 engulfing candlesticks, you guys. Huge pump, you guys. We're definitely above the trend line. However, if you look at the RSI, we are way overextended. You look left over here, we have all of this resistance as well, you guys. So even though we are in this upward trend and we did create this breakout, you guys, we are overextended, okay? We need to wait for at least a 50% retracement or to retest our support line that used to be resistance back down here. So what I'm saying is, if we can pull back down to this $14 area, this would be a perfect 50% retracement. You're not going to run a marathon and take a 15-minute break and then run another marathon. No, you're going to want to take a nice break and then you're going to continue your marathon, or in other words, for this stock, your upward trend, okay? So I'm not saying that we are going to break back below this support line and create a downward trend. No, I'm simply saying that we need a healthy retracement back down to create this upward trend that we're trying to create, okay? So as of right now, like I said, if you look left, we have all this prior resistance over here, and we are overextended, okay? As much as I want to say, yes, we're going to keep going up another 20, 30, 40%. That's very unlikely, and it's very unlikely, okay? So we want to do is use these technical analysis and apply it and wait for the best entry. That way you guys can get the max gains, okay? And you're not bag holding, which I know a lot of people do, and it's not really the best idea to do that, okay? So like I said, I'm going to say it again. We are overextended, you guys. We need to at least wait until we can pull back. At least in between the $14 30-cent area could be the best ideal entry. If you don't use stop loss, this doesn't apply to you, but if you do apply stop loss, I would have that maybe underneath these candlesticks over here, and that being at the 13.19. So if we do break below that, we will get tagged out and wait for a better entry. However, I think that's very unlikely with the amount of volume and the way this is looking as of right now, okay? So for the best entry, like I said, let's just be patient and wait for the best opportunity, and that being back at the 14.30, you guys. If we don't end up pulling back down to that area, obviously I'll do an updated video tomorrow morning like I always do. So other than that, let's just be patient and wait for the best opportunity, you guys. Let's not have FOMO, which is the fear of missing out, which will hurt your account in the long run. Oh, I'm out of focus. What the? All right. So thank you guys for watching. If you learned or thought this was efficient for you guys, please hit that like and subscribe button. It allows me to create this content for you guys Monday through Friday. But other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.